Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Math Monkey 721. Today we're going to be talking about finding the derivative of a fraction. So we're going to be using the quotient rule. So f over g, so the derivative of f over g is equal to f prime multiplied by g minus g prime multiplied by f all all over g to the power of 2. Simple. So how can we do this? You're going to see problems like this and we're going to solve it. So this is one of the examples. D over dx. So the derivative of x to the power of 2 plus 1 over x minus 3. So we're going to be finding the derivative of that. So firstly, f is the numerator, and g is the denominator. So let's get the derivative of x squared plus 1. So positive 1 doesn't have a derivative, so we're just going to get x squared's derivative, which is 2x. And we're going to just plug in g, x minus 3, and that's the first part done. Wonderful. Then we're going to get that, subtract, and we're going to get g prime. And negative 3 doesn't have a derivative, but x does. X is 1. And then we're just going to get 1 multiplied by f, which is x squared plus 1. And we're just going to put all of that over g to the power of 2, which is negative 3, and then we put x minus 3. Alright, so x minus 3 to the power of 2. Now, let's simplify the top. So 2x multiplied by x is 2x to the power of 2. 2x multiplied by negative 3 is negative 6x. And negative 1 multiplied by x squared is negative x squared. And then negative 1 multiplied by 1 is negative 1. And then let's combine like terms. So right here we see 2x to the power of 2, and we also see x to the power of 2. If you subtract them, it's going to be x squared, because imagine a imaginary 1 right here. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So in the end we get x to the power of 2 minus 6x minus 1 all over x minus 3 to the power of 2. You can just leave the bottom like this, and this answer is completely okay. And that's the answer. So let's do a different problem now. It's going to be a bit more difficult. Let's do the derivative of 3x minus 4 over x squared plus 2x. And there we go. So, what is f prime? Negative 4 doesn't have a derivative because it's a constant, but 3x does. The derivative of 3x is 3. And we're just going to put g, which is x to the power of 2, plus 2x, close parenthesis, and voila, we finished this. We put the subtraction sign, and then we're going to g prime. So what is the derivative of x squared plus 2x? I'm just going to write it separately real quick, just so we can simplify it, where we're going to get the derivative of 2x, or x to the power of 2 and 2x. So x to the power of 2 derivative is 2x. And 2x's derivative is 2. Right? And then we're going to put that in parentheses 3 x to the power of 3, or 3x minus 4. There we go. Now, let's distribute, or FOIL, or whatever it's called, I don't know. 2x multiplied by x to the or 3x, damn, is going to be 6x, the power of 2, and we get 2x multiplied by negative 4, which is negative 8x, positive 2, multiplied by 3x is going to be positive 6x, and then 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, and then see we have like terms right here, negative 8x and 6x, which is just negative 2x. So in the end we get 6x to the power of 2 minus 8, or minus 2x minus 8. And then, since I said we put off the negative real quick, we're just going to distribute it. So he's going to shoot his negative aura at the so you get negative 6x plus 2x plus 8, because these are already negative, so they just turn to positive. So yeah, now let's move this all the way up here. Yep, let's just turn this to a negative sign. And then we're gonna now multiply this, because that's easy. So we're just gonna get 3x to the power of 2 plus 6x minus, because we'll bring this down here, because I don't know why I put it up there, I forgot. 6x to the power of 2 plus 2x plus 8. Wonderful. So now we're going to combine like terms once more, and then we get this one right here and this one right here. They're like terms, and also this one right here and this one right here. So we have 3x to the power of 2 and negative 6x, which is equal to negative 3x to the power of 2, and we have positive 6x and positive 2x, which is equal to positive 8x. And then we have just a leftover 8x, or just 8. And then finally we get g to the power of 2 on the bottom, which is x squared plus 2x parentheses to the power of 2. And that right here is the answer. So that's going to be it for today's video. It's quite easy, and I hope that you guys learn how to use this formula. And if you want me to do trigonometric, like sine, cosine, and tangent combined with this formula, I can do that and make a video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.